Hey guys, Michael Koski here with Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today we have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful brand new Grand Design Imagine 2970RL. It's a brand new 2023 model. I'll walk you around the outside of the coach, highlight some features, go inside and see what you think. Starting up front, big beautiful fiberglass front cap, LED lighting, power tongue jack, LP tanks, battery tray, real nice looking finish, textured front cap to protect from rocks and any chipping potentially. Big pass-through storage with motion sensor lighting. Obviously you saw the light kick on. A lot of room, pack a lot of goods in here. Outlet up on this side, your light right there. We are in the shop today, so I don't have both awnings open. I don't have the room, but you can see the great coverage. Keep the sun out, keep the rain off you. Outdoor speakers. Nice looking LED lighting. Nice step above solid steps. Nice grab bar here. Again, the secondary awning, which I cannot open because of space. I'm sure you get the gist. A lot of big windows on this Grand Design. It's a beautiful rear living. Spare tire, backup camera ready. Exterior ladder. Real nice clean graphics, just a real attractive look. Furnace vent. Black tank flush. Power. It's a 50 amp service. Nice exterior light. Furion water heater. And then back on the other side, up in the front here, your docking station, battery disconnect. Outdoor shower. Just a real nice space. Moving back up to the front cap. All right, let's go inside and take a peek. 2970RL, rear living, dual slides. So I'm just gonna do a quick little panoramic to give you the quick overview in case you're in a hurry. Then I'll go into a little more detail. Nice queen bed up front, good storage. Okay, when you walk in the door, it's very nice and functional. Your control panel is directly in front of you. You have your awnings, your slides, you got your lighting, your tank levels. Very simple, very easy to operate. Connectable by Bluetooth, water heater, and thermostat control. Freestanding table and chairs. It's that residential feel. You can move the chairs around, you got more room. As you can see, excuse me, a lot of big windows, a lot of natural lighting. Full blackout roller shades. I have a few of them down and others up just to show you if you want it dark in here, they will do the job. Theater seating in the back. Massage, heat, recline. Nice thing with this, guys, right here. You want to come in after a long day, hiking with the family, kick back, watch a little TV, enjoy the fireplace. No more of this cranking your neck left or right to enjoy the television or the ambiance of the flames. It's a direct, straight shot, so that is very nice. This Imagine does have the Arctic package, so you have enclosed heated underbelly. Keep your plumbing flowing in the cooler climates. Lets you camp later in the fall, earlier in the spring. Fold out sofa bed in the back. So this camper, technically you're rated for 4. You could sleep 4 comfortably. Now, if you have young kids, you know, kids, there's a lot of floor space. They'll throw their sleeping bags on the floor, but the sofa bed and the queen bed up front are great. You can sleep 4 adults. All right, here, let me open this up. There's your audio head unit for controlling your audio. Additional space there for, you know, DirecTV receiver, dish network, whatever you use, video gaming, DVD. Storage up above. Really nice pantry. Again, you saw the motion sensor lighting kick on. It's big, it's spacious, it's deep. You can fit a lot of goods in there. 3-burner cooktop, oven, hood vent, microwave, additional counter space, additional storage, storage below, and hopefully you can get the angle here. Your center island has good storage as well. Nice big Furrion fridge. It's 12-volt system. Bigger, more efficient, quick cooling. Additional great storage above the prep area. It's a great additional counter space. You want to do a lot of cooking. Imagine you're prepping, getting ready for all your guests, setting up a buffet. You got a lot of place to do that. I don't know if it's camping anymore, folks. It's kind of that old term glamping, or that new term glamping. I mean, this is pretty plush. The Grand Design, you get nothing but the best. Residential step-in shower. Medicine cabinet with storage. Little miniature pantry in the bathroom for all your toiletry needs. Stainless steel sink. Skylight for your taller folks. Nice barn door on both. Wired and braced for your television. Wired and braced for your second AC if you wanted to add that. I'll turn on the night lights here. Hopefully you can see that. You got little pockets on both sides with outlets and charging ports. CPAP machine. There's lighting up above. Pockets again on both sides. His and hers wardrobes. Guys, we know it's her wardrobe, so there's plenty of room for her to bring all of her clothing. That might be our drawer right there. Fully ducted heat and AC throughout the coach. And more storage over here as well. Again, that motion sensor lighting is great. Just a lot of functional space. Some of those bigger extended trips, you can bring everything you need. So guys, thanks again. Michael Koski with Bullion RV. Give me a call, give me a text, comment, share, like this. I'm here to help. 218-740-4968. Thanks for taking the time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.